Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'll show you how to on WhatsApp how to enable transcription for messages. Now, of course, transcription for messages will allow you, whenever you receive a voice note, you can actually choose not to listen to the voice note, and you can activate the transcriptions. And once transcription is activated, what's going to happen is that it's going to basically transcribe the entirety of the chat to text, so you can actually read versus listen. All right, so this is how it's done. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is to go ahead and launch WhatsApp. Now, of course, you're most likely going to be on chat. As for me, I don't want to show my messages, so I've placed mine on the community tab. That's why it looks like this. All right, so it doesn't really matter. So go straight here, top, go to settings. Once you're in your settings, as seen here, you're going to go ahead, guys, and you're going to scroll down. And once you scroll down, you're going to go to chats. So here we go. Go into chats. And from here, you're going to see voice message transcripts. This is the feature. And as you can, it says here, read your voice message with transcripts. Your personal voice message remain end-to-end encrypted. No one outside of the chat, and you can learn more. You can listen to them. All right. So we're going to choose language. Of course, here I'm going to say English. That's the default language. And of course, it's wait for Wi-Fi. And I'm going to say set up now. And of course, it's doing its thing. It's downloaded in the background. Sometime this is the feature. It says transcript download. And you can see it's doing its thing. All right, so we're going to allow it to do its thing. Should take a little while, depending on the speed of your internet. So the feature is now downloaded. And of course, I'm going to go ahead now and it's on with a check mark. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back to my chats. And from here, guys, what I'm going to do is, all right, guys, I've opened up one of my chats. Here I have a voice note. All you got to do to get the voice note is to, or to transcribe it, is to go ahead and long press. And of course, once you long press as seen here, you're going to tap right here and you're going to hit transcribe. And there you go. Right away, it transcribes the message for you and you can see it. So in this case, you can see what it says. In the case of this voice note, you can see here, it says, yes, go ahead and subscribe to blogtechtips.com. Thank you. And you can listen to it as well. So I'm going to play it now. Yes, go ahead and subscribe to blogtechtips.com. Thank you. All right, so you actually heard it for yourself. And that's how you use the transcript feature. All right, hope you enjoyed that. And that's how to do it on WhatsApp. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.